No one asks, "What's this poem about?" when you've written it on a typewriter for them, after soliciting their whole life story. Not when you're set up next to the rabbi/lip injection station/tarot reader, at the wedding/makeup brand launch/all company tech soiree. Instead of asking, your patrons cry in front of their spouses/employees/strangers. They carry their shitty poem with its spelling mistakes around the party, an excuse to talk to everyone about their dog/vacation/fear. When you tell people you're a poet, they ask, "Is that your only job?" Yes, you say. You work nights and weekends. Your iPhone is full of images of 5,000 first drafts. You counted, you'll never edit. People you don't remember bump into you years later and tell you they still have their poem on the fridge/in the bathroom/on the bedside table. They reach out at new milestones where you'll have no ability to backspace. You're learning to edit in secret, to make language strong enough to hold to you. You want to say, this poem is about how even when I'm with people, I'm alone. But another stranger has just brought you a glass of the bitter house red. They've remembered something they want to tell their mother. Something they want you to say for them. Only/better.